Hey flag fans, I'm Gray, and welcome back to Flag Facts. Today's show is all about what is perhaps the most iconic sports symbol in the world, the Olympic flag. Ah, the Olympics, everyone's favorite elite-level games. The Olympics have a long and storied history, and can be traced all the way back to ancient Greece. The Olympics we know today started in 1894 with the creation of the International Olympic Committee, which was soon followed by the first modern Olympic Games in Athens in 1896. So where did the Olympic flag come from? Well, the design was created by none other than the father of the modern Olympics himself, Pierre de Coubertin. The flag was introduced to the International Olympic Committee during its 20th anniversary meeting in 1914. It probably would have gone on to make its Olympic debut at the 1916 Games in Berlin, but those were famously cancelled because of a little thing called World War I. Instead, the flag made its first Olympic appearance during the 1920 Games in Antwerp, Belgium. Fun fact, the original flag from the opening ceremony of the Antwerp Games actually went missing. In 1997, Olympic bronze medalist Hal Haag-Priest revealed to a reporter that he, in fact, knew exactly where to find the missing flag. "I can help you with that," he said. "It's in my suitcase." It turns out this was only sort of true. Priest did in fact have a flag from the 1920 Antwerp Games, but it is unlikely that it was the flag from the opening ceremony, as it wasn't nearly big enough. As the story goes, Priest's friend, the swimmer Duke Kahanamoku, dared Priest to steal an Olympic flag at the end of the games. So Priest climbed a 15-foot pole, captured the flag, and then tucked it away in his suitcase until the turn of the century. Then, at the ripe old age of 103, Priest ceremoniously returned the flag to the IOC in the year 2000. At the time, he was the oldest living American Olympic medalist, and he died a short time after, at the age of 104. The design of the flag is quite simple. It consists of a white background and the now famous 5 interlaced Olympic rings: blue, black, red, yellow, and green. The 5 rings symbolize the union of the 5 continents and the meeting of athletes from all around the world. At least one of the 6 colors of the flag can be found on every flag in the world, making it a truly international symbol. It is likely that the design was inspired by the logo of the Union of French Athletic Sports Societies, a former sports governing body with which Coubertin was also associated. Today, the flag plays a prominent role in all of the Olympic Games, and specifically during the opening and closing ceremonies. During the opening ceremony, the flag is raised in the main venue. In addition, the Olympic oath is then taken by a representative of the athletes while holding the Olympic flag in their left hand. The flag is then lowered during the closing ceremony to the sound of the Olympic anthem, symbolizing the end of the Games. The flag is then presented to the president of the IOC, who delivers it to the host of the next Games. And there you go, that's everything you need to know about the Olympic flag. So what'd you think? Is it a good design? Do you wish you had a mustache like Pierre de Coubertin? Let us know in the comments below. And while you're down there, be sure to like and subscribe for more flag-related content just like this. If you're in the market for an Olympic flag or any other flag, head on over to FlagandBanner.com for all your flag flying needs. And as always, thank you for watching. We'll catch you next time on Flag Facts.